St. Paul's Church of Uganda, Kiwuliriza Parish, under the Diocese of Kampala, is on a mission to construct a magnificent church. Today, the parish held a fundraising ceremony that brought together various dignitaries and Christians, all united in support of this noble cause. The day began with a joint church service, bringing together Christians from all regions of the country. At St. Paul's Church of Uganda, Kiwuliriza is a home of diverse congregation made up of various tribes. The service was marked with vibrant praise and worship, with different tribal groups showcasing their unique styles. While delivering the sermon, ordained Silvana Sturiamwijka emphasized that as seen in the book of Nehemiah, construction should be driven by genuine need, otherwise people may develop a different perception.
It shows that we focus on Nehemiah so that we can look at the principles that helped Nehemiah when they were building the wall of Jerusalem. And then I want you to turn to Nehemiah chapter 2. We're going to read again verse 7, 17 and verse 18.
Immediately after the sermon, the fundraising was officially launched and conducted based on the regions where the Christians come from. In an interview with Church of Uganda Family TV, Patrick Olongo, the chairperson of the church building committee at St. Paul's Church of Uganda, Kiwuliriza, shared an update on the progress of the project and appealed for continued support, emphasizing that it is a noble cause.
Right now we are in a stage of finalizing on the basement slab, which is estimated at 74 million shillings in order for us to finish the slabbing. And once we are done with that basement work, then we'll now be finalizing on our first floor. And from there we'll be going now to the second floor, which is where now the worship hall will be, because this basement will be accommodating the offices and other facilities that are within the building. But after that, then we'll now be going to the first floor, which is now the church hall. So we are praying and asking that you support us, stand with us, because it's a noble cause, and God with us, all will be successful.
Henry Birinjiro, the head of the liturgy at St. Paul's Church of Uganda, Kiwuliriza, emphasized that the occasion was intended to appreciate the contributions of Christians and mobilize additional support for the completion of the sanctuary.
The occasion that we are having today, 27th April 2025, it is on the cause of building the sanctuary. And that sanctuary, where we've already reached, the retaining walls are already, and we are here to see how we can join hands and complete. We start actually the walls, after the walls, and then we reach at the roofing, and we complete it, and we start celebrating, worshipping in that sanctuary.
Reverend Janet Kayundo, the vicar of St. Paul's Church, stated that the project requires 2.1 billion shillings, part of which has already been generously contributed by the faithful. She thanked God for their support, but also appealed to Christians to continue giving as the work is still ongoing.
I've had several fundraisings, and here we are on the foundation. We are almost finishing the foundation first, if we get really enough money, because this project needed 2.1 billion shillings, Uganda shillings, and we want to thank God for all those who have contributed up to here. The foundation has taken a long time because we have collected little by little, but now we need support so that it will come out of the foundation, and we got the basement slab, and then we put on we go to the real structure. So we are calling upon all of you who are out there. We need your support.